Japan, Republic of Korea, China, we all interested in the Arctic issues. One, environment, how we can preserve environment and ecosystem. Number two, if there's opportunity, we would like to get access to sea route and natural resources. And we believe that has to be done based on international rules. So we would like to start among 3 Northeast Asian countries to clarify and make it transparent of our Arctic policy and try to confirm that everything we do orderly according to the environment and based on international rules. So that's the objective of this trilateral cooperation.